Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the throw blanket from the company Elegear, E-L-E-G-E-A-R. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So it's 100% polyester. It's actually got like a faux fur on one side and then Sherpa on the other side. We'll take a look at it once we get it open. There are a couple different color options. I went with the gray. There's also a throw option, I think it said it here, as well as a full blanket option. Here we go. So I went with the throw, which is 50 by 60 inches. I think the full blanket is 59 by 79. Let's take a look at it. So being that this is an unboxing of a blanket, there's not going to be a whole lot to show you. It is nice and soft. So you can see what I mentioned earlier. Let me just show you the label that comes with. Japanese heat warm technology. Hopefully you're going to be able to see that. Skin friendly, double-sided, lint-free. Let's take a look at the blanket itself. So this is what I was saying. You've got the faux fur side, and then you've got a Sherpa reversible side. It is nice and soft. Anyway, there's a quick unboxing video. I hope it helps.